Okay, hello. I'm going to show you what Jason Molesky is explaining in this video called Recording Yourself with QuickTime. So what he did was he went down here and he opened up the QuickTime Player app, and then you can see that next to your Apple here at the top left, it says QuickTime Player. So first what he did was he went File and then New Movie Recording. And then you get a window of yourself. Hello, this is your selfie cam. So I'm not recording anything yet. It's just opening up the selfie cam. And now I want to resize it. So I'm going to go to my bottom right. I'm going to drag it, grab the corner and drag it to make it smaller. And then I'm going to grab it on the bar on the top and move it over here. This recording bar will go away after I move my mouse outside there. See, now it's going away. So hello, here I am talking to you. So then what Jason says is you can do Shift Command 5 to get the QuickTime Screen Recording tools. So let me show you what that looks like. You can also go up to QuickTime Player again on your upper left and go File, New Screen Recording. So I'm actually doing two things at the same time. I'm doing my movie recording down here, and now I'm going to do a screen recording, which is going to record my whole screen. And then I get the tools down at the bottom, and yours, so this is capture a selected window, capture your entire screen, which is probably what you want to choose. And then yours will say record here. But see, I'm already making a screen recording of this tutorial, so it says capture instead of record. But yours will say record. Then once you press record, then you can record everything you do on your screen and everything you say in this little window here. And then when you're done, you want to go up to the top and press the stop button, and then it's going to save on your desktop. Okay, so now it has saved on your desktop, and it looks something like this, screen recording right here. Now I've opened up my Google Drive over here, and I made a folder for myself called recordings, and I'm going to drag this into that folder and drop it. And now it takes a really long time to upload videos, especially if they're long. So you don't want to make it too long. And now I'm going to show you a very important part, which is changing the share permissions. So this one I've already uploaded. So I'm going to right click, which is on a Mac, it's hold the control key down and then click. So it's control click to get this menu, and you go up here to share. And it automatically goes to ISD 194, public schools, anyone with this link can view. But I'm going to change that. Got that. Okay, so there's a teeny tiny arrow right here. And I don't want it unrestricted. I don't want it only ISD 194 can view. I want anyone with the link can view. So I'm going to press that. So now it says anyone with the link and then can view. Sometimes you can change it to editor here. But for this, I just want people to view it. And then I'm done. Oh, wait, I'm not done yet. I have to copy the link so I can give it to people. So I'm going to copy the link, and then you can paste it in an email. Now I'm done. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to upload a video recording onto YouTube. So if you go up here and you type in YouTube, you can see your little circle up here on the right, and you want to click on that. And you're going to go to YouTube Studio right here, YouTube Studio. And hopefully you've already set up your channel. If you haven't, I have instructions about how to do that. But after you set up your channel, then you're here at your channel dashboard. You can ignore all this stuff. The important part is right here, the little content button, the play button. I'm going to click on my play button, and I'm going to see all my content, all the videos that I have uploaded. To upload a new video, you're going to go to the top to the create button, and upload a video. And you get to this screen. So then if you have your screen recordings saved over here, you can just drag it over and drop it in the window. Now it's going to take a while to upload, but first there are a few questions that it asks you. First of all, you're going to select a title, and so you can type in something better here. And then if you scroll down, you're going to be asked the question if it's made for kids or not made for kids. If you're making something for kids, make sure you press this box, which is yes, it's made for kids. If there are kids in your video and you put no, it's not made for kids, they might block it. So be sure to press the yes, it's made for kids. Also, people will not be able to make comments on it. So that's good. Then you go to the next button, and you can ignore this part and next. And then here you're going to choose if you want it private, which is only you can see it. Unlisted, public is for everyone. I always choose unlisted, which is anyone with a link can view. So if you give somebody the link, they'll be able to click on it and view it. All right, so now I'm going to save it. Now it takes a while for it to upload, but you can close out of this window while you're working on other stuff and it will automatically upload. So let's look at one that I have uploaded already. See, here you can see it's working on it. So let's say I'm going to share this one. The way to share your link is to press the play button so that you play the video. I'm going to stop it here as soon as it comes on.
Hello, I'm going to show.
Okay, you're going to play your video, and this is the link you're going to share. It's called the URL. It's the one up at the top. Sometimes if you use this one down at the bottom, it doesn't work for everybody. But this one up at the top works for everyone. So again, you click on the URL up at the top, and then you go Edit Copy, and then you can paste it into an email.